Yes, today is another unboxing video, and today we have here the Yongnuo YN360 Mark III. And yes, we have been splurging in Lazada in the last 10/10 sale. What is up, guys? My name is Ken of Unit A Creatives, and today in Buhay Photographer, we will be unboxing this light. It's the Yongnuo YN360 Mark III RGB daylight LED bar. So first impressions, when I got the package, the box is kind of, so the box is kind of dented, squished. So but as long as what's inside it is what matters most. So let's go ahead and open this thing. So I would suggest the seller should wrap this carefully with a bubble wrap next time. Okay, there you go. So it comes with a bag, which is very handy. It's like a carrying bag for the whole light. And then this is the only thing you will get from the package. I saw that in the reviews already. So this doesn't come with any battery at all. So that's why I decided to buy the DuraPro NPF battery. This is my first NPF battery, so let's go ahead and try it. So, okay, battery's well attached. There is a switch right here. Let's turn that on and the light will turn on instantly. So as you can see, there is a remote down here, but it won't work if you detach it unless you buy it a battery, which I'm not really sure what is called. So what we'll do for now is put this back to give it power, and then that's when you can control the light. So there you go. There's somehow like a dimmer there, and then when you tap it once, it will give you the option to pick the color that you want. So everything that you will touch here, this is a color wheel. Wherever you will touch, that will be the color it will give you. There you go. What we have here is blue. Touch the green here, touch the pink. There you go. So first impressions about this light, I like it. It's very bright, it's very powerful. So I got this at 5,900 from Lazada, specifically One Gadget. I'll include a link of their shop down in the description, so you better check that out. Yeah, so the only thing that I don't like about this is it doesn't come with any power supply at all. So I decided to get battery for this, but you also have an option to power it up with a direct connection here with a 12 volts adapter. So I also don't like that it doesn't come with, the remote doesn't come with any battery, but besides that, quality wise and performance, this is really good. So we'll discuss this product further down in another video, which will be a product review, where we will show you its drawbacks, its strengths, and whatnot. So once again, my name is Ken of Unit A Creatives. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us. We will see you on the next episode of Buhay Photographer.